In September 2014, AAQIS Incorporated achieved a landmark moment in its development of technology focused on reducing the planet's dependency on petroleum-based fuels and eliminating ozone-eating hydrocarbon emissions. AAQIS Incorporated is a wholly owned subsidiary of Green Planet Group Incorporated and was formed in April 2012 to develop and commercialize hydrogen generator technology the company had acquired. The AAQIS onboard HHO generator breaks down distilled water into its primary elements, 2 parts hydrogen gas and 1 part oxygen, or HHO gas. This gas is then pumped into the air intake on gasoline or diesel-fueled engines, mixing with the fuel and burning in the combustion chamber. Early testing of the technology, delivered through a first-generation model, indicated an 11% improvement in miles per gallon and a 77% reduction in hydrocarbon and particulate emissions. The AAQIS development team met at the facilities of Klein Engines in Phoenix, Arizona, to initiate testing of their current HHO generator design. The HHO generator output was fed into the air intake on a Chevrolet small block V8 350 cubic inch engine. The engine and generator performance was tested and recorded on an SF902 dynamometer. Overseen by Robert King, founder of King Dyno, the system recorded accurate spreadsheets and graphs and monitored various temperatures, pressures, and flows, keeping a close check on the engine performance, fuel consumption, and raw exhaust emissions throughout each run. The generator performance was measured at 30, 50, 70, and 100% output. Measurements were recorded at each generator output level, with the engine running at speeds ranging from 2,000 RPM to 5,000 RPM. Robert King explains the measurements and results.
This is our horsepower graph and our foot-pounds of torque graph. And what we're seeing is that we can actually pull fuel, gasoline, away from the engine, so the consumer is getting more bang for their buck at this point.
The results of the 3-day testing session exceeded all expectations. Test results recorded a fuel efficiency improvement of 40% and a reduction in raw exhaust emissions to very nearly zero. Equally important and impressive was the Chevy engine performance. Engine performance with the AAQIS generator operating absolutely equaled the engine performance when run on pure gasoline. In fact, the addition of the HHO gas to the combustion chamber very nearly completely burned all hydrocarbons, providing peak performance, virtually zero emissions, and a 40% improvement in mileage. In November 2014, the AAQIS engineering team returned to the Klein Engines facility to continue testing of the HHO generator, utilizing a Chevrolet V8 turbo diesel 6.5-liter engine. The diesel engine testing utilized enhanced fuel efficiency measurements and incorporated a Wagner 6500 opacity meter to measure diesel exhaust emissions. This dynamometer testing of the AAQIS HHO generator on a diesel engine further reinforced the efficacy of the technology in improving fuel efficiency and reducing hydrocarbon and particulate emissions. As the engineering team continues to build prototype production models of the generator and refine engine interface technology, AAQIS management is preparing for testing of the generator at a California Air Resources Board facility. We are confident that greener, cleaner engine performance from heavy-duty internal combustion engines is coming soon from AAQIS, the future of fuel.